Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh the feed. So if you're trying to use Instagram but you're getting this error, could not refresh the feed, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So let's get start the video. There are some of the methods that you can try to fix this out. So the first step is check your network connection. First, ensure that your internet connection is working well and has a good speed. Make sure you have a strong signal if you are using Wi-Fi or mobile data. To test your internet connection, simply you can open up the browser and search for the any website. And if it takes too long to load, your connection is the problem. Make sure that you have a internet with a good speed. So once you have done this, then the next step is set your date and time. If your iPhone date and time setting are set manually and are out of sync with the actual time, it may prevent your Instagram feed from refreshing. Make sure your date and time setting are correct. Simply go to settings, click on general, click on date and time, and turn on the set automatically. If it's turned off, you can turn it on. So once you have done this, then the next step is log out and log in again your Instagram. You can try logging out and logging in again to Instagram app to see if the couldn't refresh feed error is resolved. You can simply go to your profile, then click on three lines, then click on settings, scroll down and you will get this logout button. Simply log out your Instagram account and log in again to see if it works. And if it's still not working, then the next step is update your Instagram app. For that, you can go to App Store. If the app is outdated, you will get this error. Make sure that you update your app and go to search bar, search for Instagram. And if you see any update here, like it's open, as you can see on the snap, and if you see on Instagram, make sure that you update your Instagram app to see if the problem is resolved. And if you still have this problem, then the last step is restart your device. You can also try restarting your device, as more often than not rebooting the system fixes error. So if you are still facing the couldn't refresh feed error, try restarting your iPhone. You can simply go to settings, then click on general, scroll down and you will get this shutdown button. You can click on it and slide to power off your iPhone. Once you have done this, then restart your iPhone to see if the problem is resolved. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.